Good morning, dear student. Now class start a class 8 class science and first chapter food production. 9 now and video part of video 4. Each lesson are divided in part first video and second video, and total include our video one lesson, one chapter. So new part start in new chapter. Now understand next back class and next class revise. So improvement of soil fertility by many process, adding manure, fertilizers, chemical fertilizers, and compost, green compost, organic compost. So all manure mixing soil and make a fertile soil. Fertile soil as a character in the first porous structure and texture and a special texture of soil form a porous and live है microorganisms and sufficient amount of light and air, water available in this infertility soil. Now I explain a new fertility soil improvement by nitrogen cycle. And nitrogen is a main part of element in all the organisms of body, and the form of nitrogens are form of many type of proteins, and proteins say body making material. Now so a very important features of nitrogens. So need a nitrogen all green plants and make a body part. Now I understand you to start a nitrogen cycle, and nitrogen cycle mutual symbiosis association bacteria and plant. So symbiosis, this pattern या this process to live each other together, live and together, so both profit, plant as well bacteria. Now I start a complete nitrogen cycle. So the whiteboard according to your book Basic Science. Now nitrogen cycle, the bacteria living in the roots of leguminous, so pulses, are the pulses family, and pulses family include a legume family, so Leguminaceae. Now are not the only microorganism that convert atmospheric nitrogen into compound that plant can use. There are many other bacteria and cyanobacteria. Bacteria like microorganisms, cyanobacteria like bacteria. So other properties के होने की वजह से उन्हें साइनोबैक्टीरिया बोला गया है. एनाबेनम, नॉस्टॉक एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ साइनोबैक्टीरिया एंड दैट इज algae, including algae. So in the soil that do so, some convert nitrogen in ammonia or amino acid from such protein and are made. Some convert ammonia salt into nitrates and some convert nitrate into nitrites. Plants and animals would not have survived without these microorganisms. This is because they are not capable of converting atmospheric nitrogen into compound needed for making proteins. Plants use nitrates available in the soil to make a proteins. Animals derive protein from plant when they are there. So already know that I mentioned to nitrogen is a compound of protein, and so back nitrogen use body cell and for amino acid and amino acid polymerization and amino acid one unit, and so another amino acid bind together and bind in a bond, and another amino acid bond से बंधे होते हैं. So bond is formed called peptide bond. Now already know is this bond, peptide bond, and so form a special type of protein. तो need a necessary for need use a protein form a protein and amino acid. Now when plant and animal die, जब प्लांट हो एनिमल मरता है, डाई होता है, एंड द नाइट्रोजन कंपाउंड इज लॉक्ड. जो आपकी बॉडी में नाइट्रोजन युक्त प्रोटीन है वो बॉडी सड़कर डिके होकर वो क्या होता है, फिर उस कंपाउंड बॉडी से अलग हो जाएगा. सो nitrogen compound locked in their body are converted into ammonia by microorganisms, and ammonia NH3 में कन्वर्ट करता है पुनः NH3 नाइट्रेट्स, NO2 नाइट्रेट, NO3 नाइट्राइट. सो नेक्स्ट कंपाउंड नाइट्रेट एंड नाइट्राइट. सो कंपाउंड एंड यूजेबल इन प्लांट, यानी प्लांट द्वारा यही चीज को यूज कर लेता है. सो नाउ एन स्क्रीच ऑफ द नाइट्रोजन साइकिल एंड एक्सप्लेन. सो एंड नाइट्रोजन इन एयर एंड 78% composition of air, free nitrogen and gaseous stage nitrogen. So first are all nitrogen fixing bacteria, cyanobacteria and rhizobium with. So nitrogen fixing bacteria and plants को गिव कर देता है, प्लांट का ग्रोथ हो गया. सो यहाँ यह इटेड बाय अदर एनिमल. सो प्लांट की बॉडी का नाइट्रोजन सो प्लांट एनिमल के अंदर कन्वर्ट हुआ. सो एंड लास्ट इन ए डाई. सो एनिमल प्लांट्स decaying and convert into nitrogen, ammonia, nitrates and other compounds, and animal decomposition and excreta and dung, urine. So excretory material found many type nitrogen compound. So ammonia is a special type of compound and create ammonia gas and used in plant. So absorbed. So nitrate in soil, decaying, decomposition, plant body, animal body in soil and convert in soil and nitrogen युक्त compound already absorbed by plants. So life cycle start, continue. Now another factor of nitrogen cycle include, and first is nitrogen to soil by lightning अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज। हाँ, जब बरसात के समय में जब बिजली तड़कती है तो बिजली तड़कने के दौरान नाइट्रोजन की मात्रा बहुत तेजी के साथ कंपाउंड में कन्वर्ट होता है। जो एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन है, बिजली एंड लाइटनिंग के दौरान या अल्ट्रावायलेट किरणों के दौरान वो नाइट्रोजन जो है रिएक्ट कर जाता है, कंपाउंड में रिएक्ट करता है और वर्षा के बूंदों के माध्यम से वो जमीन पाता है। विशेष फैक्टर एंड सॉइल confirm and lightning ultraviolet radiation due to the convert of nitrogen gas into another compound. So mix a raindrop and fall on soil and make a soil fertility. Now and the next nitrogen various microorganism convert, and various microorganism is found in वातावरण यानी climate environment. So fixing of nitrogen and so converting nitrates, nitrogen oxide के compound NO, NO2, NO3 and ammonia. So last nitrate in soil are also convert into free nitrogen. Those would and free nitrogen and create a special type of bacterial break down nitrogen compound and convert into the nitrogen gas in atmosphere. So continue circle of nitrogen gas in environment and use of nitrogen is different manner of plants and growth and destroy and recycle. Now I hope you have understand स्क्रीन शॉट ले सकते हैं। नाउ ए कंप्लीट है नाइट्रोजन साइकिल। तो नेक्स्ट एंड समरी ऑफ अकॉर्डिंग टू योर बुक, atmospheric nitrogen is also converted into compound of nitrogen by lightning and ultraviolet radiation from the sun. These compounds come down with rain. However, this accounts for a very small proportion of nitrate in the soil. So there is a reserve process in nature which return nitrogen to air. Some bacteria living in the soil break down nitrogen's compound to get energy. This nitrogen release the process escapes into the air. यानी कुछ बैक्टीरिया लास्ट में ब्रेक डाउन करता है और नाइट्रोजन एयर के रूप में होता है। So all the process can be summed up a continual cycle of nitrogen from the air to the soil and the living world. Together they form the nitrogen cycle. So nitrogen cycle. To show this manner, nitrogen are mixed in soil. So this type of soil are called biofertilizers. Bio living and fertilizers. Clear cut. Biofertilizers microorganisms which improve soil fertility by fixing atmospheric nitrogen and dissolving nutrient present in the soil and cultivated spatially. These microorganisms are now put into packets formed by and mix them with the seed they sow. Now, and complete biofertilizers. So next, manure topic. Manure or organic matter, manure, as it sometimes called is produced by the decomposition of crop residue, animal dung, the sludge for the treatment of sewage treatment, and जो फिल्टर होने के बाद जो कचरा बचता है उनको सड़ाते हैं, यानी सीवेज, एनिमल डंग, द स्लैग्स for treatment of sewage and so on. When the manure is produced by following microorganism to act on the waste matter in convert pits and is called a compost. And process decomposition can take place in the open too. यानी ये डिकम्पोजिशन की जो प्रक्रिया है हमारे ओपन बाहर फील्ड में किसी पिट या गड्ढे में खोदकर हम गोबर यानी डंग या कोई वेस्ट मटेरियल या प्लांट को यूज करते हैं, सड़ाते हैं माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म के माध्यम से. सो इस कॉल्ड मैन्योर कंपोस्ट. नाउ एंड अदर कंपोस्ट, सम प्लांट ब्लैक ग्राम, cluster bean, cowpea are grown especially to produce manure. They are the plowed back to the soil and prefer to the green manure. यानी कुछ ऐसे मैन्योर होते हैं जिसको बो दी जाती है तो हमारे पृथ्वी, हमारे भूमि की, हमारे सॉइल की उर्वरा शक्ति को बढ़ा देता है वो प्लांट. यानी कहने का मतलब जैसे हम लोग के यहाँ ढैचा ऐसे कॉमन नाम है, ग्रीन बहुत तेज है, और इसके बाद उसी में मिट्टी के अंदर जुताई करके उसको मिला देते हैं. सम एग्जांपल ऑफ ब्लैक ग्राम एंड क्लस्टर बीन एंड काउपी टाइप ऑफ ग्रीन मैन्योर. तो सो ग्रीन मैन्योर कंप्लीट एंड केमिकल. एंड अगेन टॉपिक ऑफ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स. Artificial process, formation of a chemical compound by the factory, industries. A lot of nutrient mixing of fertilizer. No, and chemical fertilizers, man-made. Plant nutrient produced a factories are called chemical fertilizers. There are three type of fertilizers, and nitrogenous fertilizers are compound containing nitrogen. Phosphatic fertilizers are compound of phosphate and phosphorus. Potassium fertilizers contain compounds of potassium, and some fertilizers contain all three type of plant nutrient as like the NKP, nitrogen, potassium and phosphate, urea and nitrogen युक्त compounds. And this is the last topic in this video, and close this topic are close. New topic I start including chemical fertilization and the difference between the manure and chemical fertilization next video. So I want to close my topic. Thank you.